Up and running, you know. Chef Rowan, aka Stigma Boss. Big up Ming Cooking TV. Check him out on YouTube. Subscribe to his channel. He's talking about a lot of tours and stuff like that. I want you guys to check him out, alright? It's bad and bougie. I'm out.
Hi everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Now today I'm going to do a bit of cooking. Again, I know it's been a while, but yes. So today I'm going to cook some Rasta pasta. However, this is not my recipe. This is a recipe from my wife. But she don't like to do cooking, so she's gonna direct or tell me what to do, and then I'll just put the recipe together. So yes, before we go into today's video, guys, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click that little notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. Yes, so let me change the camera settings and show you guys what I'm working with today. Yes guys, so what we're working with today, we have some spinach pasta, green colored, we have the lemon pasta, and we have the chili pasta. So that's the color, you know, red, yellow and green. That's a Rasta thing. We have some salt and black pepper here in this little bowl. We have a chili, we have garlics, a lemon, shrimp, and some extra virgin olive oil. Here we have some Parmesan cheese and our measuring cup. We have the strainer for the pasta. We have our selected pot and a pan to do the frying. So yes, time to do some cooking and put that together now. So we are going to shot. So we're going to boil the pasta first. Okay, so I'm going to get the water ready and all that stuff ready, and I'm going to boil the pasta and then listen for further instructions. So water on the stove, and we're going to cover that and leave that for a boil. Okay. So yes guys, we have the pot of water already on the stove. Chef, you know, pot cover. Yes, so we're going to leave that for a boil, and yes, I'm going to listen for further instruction. What's the next?
The garlic.
So in the meantime, I'm going to peel some garlics and prepare the frying pan also. Yes. That's all. So guys, a question, leave it in the comment section. You think I should make my videos speak in more patois, more English, or more German? So I don't know. That's something the viewers have to decide. Okay, so we have our clean frying pan already washed, clean and ready. I'm gonna leave that for a while. How much oil shot it? 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That is it. Yeah. What's the next step on the recipe, Shot?
Der Knoblauch.
Chopped or grated?
In dünne Scheiben.
So we can use a grater?
Ja, in Scheiben. Ja, nein, das sind keine Scheiben. Dann nimm den anderen Grater, da kannst du Scheiben.
Achso, ne?
Das da sind Scheiben.
Maybe too big, man, but however.
Dann mach's doch mit dem Messer, wie jeder andere auch.
No, I'm the one taking the instructions, not my recipe. So, I think we're going to use the whole 3 garlics?
Ja.
Okay, no problem. So, small pieces. You guys be very careful with the finger at this point, because it's very tiny, and if you're not really careful, then you can have an accident. The second garlic. I personally have never done it in this way. So this is actually new to me, but so far it's looking really good. Looking good. You know, the garlic and olive oil smell good though. Yeah, man. So remember now guys, we don't want the garlic to be burnt. No. You have to be very attentive. You have to be very attentive when you're cooking at times. As if you're not fully focused, then you're gonna have a different taste, a different outcome than what you were hoping for. My next day. So guys, you're supposed to fry the garlic with the shrimp for 5 minutes. So I already defrost the shrimp, you know, clean them properly, and I kind of dry them a bit, you know, to get some of the water off, you know. So shrimp in the frying pan, 5 minutes. And of course, be very attentive. Try not to burn the shrimps. Yeah guys, I'm going to add a bit of salt to the water for the pasta. Of course, not too much. You know, you don't want to get the food over salted. So,
Aber auch nicht zu wenig, sonst ist es too fresh.
yeah, so it's like that. You have to be, you know, you have to taste the food sometimes. Not too salty, not too fresh. You have to get it right.
So, dann noch die Pasta rein.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the pasta in, all of that, yeah?
Ja.
Okay, so first we're gonna put in the spinach pastas, the green, that is it, followed by the lemon. Of course you don't have to do it in the exact same order, just like that. So, followed by the lemon, so now the chili. That's where the color is coming from, red, gold and green, you know.
8 bis 10 Minuten.
How long?
8 bis 10 Minuten.
Okay. So the top chef is saying 8 to 10 minutes. You're going to leave this for a cook. And then, yeah guys, so at the moment, this is what we're working with. Pasta is in. I'm gonna cover the pot. You know, get the steam to stay in and work a bit faster. And we have our shrimp. And we're going to just stir that and be very attentive not to burn anything. Chatty, them supposed to be crispy?
Ja, ein bisschen.
Or just right?
Ja, fry. When crispy.
Okay, so
Aber
of course she said you can do it and properly fried, but crispy is a bit better. So I think viewers' preference, you do that however you like. So this is what we're working with already. Just getting the place clean a bit. Yes guys, so we're going to squeeze the lemon. Actually it's quite a decent size. It's decent size lemon, and we're going to squeeze that in our cooking. I like to roll the lemon first to get the juice out, you know. Activate the juice, that's it. And guys, if you have a lemon squeezer, use that. Much easier. Anyway.
Jamaican don't need that.
No. Most Jamaicans squeeze limes or lemon until it's dry. We have a lot of strength, you know.
better strain it.
Yeah. One next cup. So guys, now I'm going to strain this to get the seeds out. I need a strainer. That is it. That's what we're looking for. So guys, again, not my recipe. I'm just working with the top chef in the background, you know what I'm saying? We're supposed to keep 100 milliliters of the pasta water, and that is supposed to be added in the shrimp. So keep that in mind also. But the shrimp is looking very good, actually crispy. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving them an even flip. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to remove that 100 milliliter of pasta water from the pot. I think that's about it. So, 100 milliliters of pasta water. Now, we said that we are supposed to add the pasta water inside. Yeah, followed by the lemon juice and the salt and black pepper. So I'm gonna check on the pasta again, guys. Remember, I don't want it to be overcooked. Overcooked pasta. Don't worry. It's not rich.
That look more done.
Big up steak na boss, you know, food style that. Let me try. That is it for that? Okay, so now we're gonna strain the pasta. Pasta is ready. So, now we are gonna add the pasta inside the shrimp. We're gonna stir that together. Alright. This is what we're working with right now. Looking good. Very colorful.
Very thin.
Time to add some chili. Very thin slices, yeah? Hello?
This is not thin. This is not thin, Shots. It's thin.
Well, that is my tin, alright.
Thin slices for normal people, not Jamaican.
Okay, not Jamaican tin. So, that tin, yeah? That kind of tin, yeah? Okay. How much?
Just for decoration.
Decoration. Now guys, I think this is ready. It's ready now, yeah? So I'm gonna put this in the dishes, put the Parmesan cheese on top, and the chili, and then it's done. And it's time for the testing, you know what I'm saying? That is it, guys. Very colorful. lamb green with some shrimp. Yes, and then we're gonna add some parmesan. And again, depends on how much cheese you like. It ain't gonna go down easy if it ain't cheesy. And our chili. Dish completed. You're gonna do the tasting.
No.
I should. Again, not my recipe, never tried this Rasta pasta this way. So, I have to do the testing. That is it. People, definitely try this one. That is it. We just go back over the recipe. I think we could leave it in the description, maybe properly written down or so. It doesn't really matter. Definitely try this. Rasta pasta, Stefan style. That is it. So, thank you guys for watching. Again, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That's totally free. And I see you guys on the next one.